Now, as I'm doing this video, NEO is trading at $6.44, up 11.42%. Now, this is something that is pretty exciting because yesterday, there were people that were even complaining on this channel to say that NEO share price is not performing like other Chinese equities, which these gains today just shows us that long term will win. Don't panic sell. When you are investing onto NEO, don't look at the day-to-day movement, but rather focus on where NEO could be in the future. You will not miss the boat. You will not miss the opportunity, because look at where we are right now. NEO, it is the stock, or it is the Chinese equity that is doing the most in terms of the gains today, which is something that is pretty exciting, something that shows us that blue sky is coming. I mean, today we were talking about what the NEO CEO just told us, or just said, about profitability coming once Onvo sales get to 20,000, which is something that is just so pretty exciting. And to see the stock price of NEO performing the way it is doing today, I mean, you and me, I mean, we are excited. I'm seeing the lot of the streets of social media. A lot of the new investors are really happy based on what they are seeing the stock price of NEO doing, which is something that we want to see. Days like this, we want to see more of this even on days to come. And I think we will see this, because something that I always say, the NEO that we are seeing now is different from the NEO we were seeing last year. This NEO that we are seeing now, it is the NEO that is able to deliver or sell over 20,000 from just the NEO main brand. This is the same NEO that will be able to sell 20,000 of their sub-brand Onvo, which combine the two will be able to give us 40,000 of sales on a month to month. This is the NEO that we are talking about now. And those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price, I will say it again as I've said it before, or they will definitely be rewarded. Blue sky is coming. I'm happy of the short squeeze that we are seeing onto the share price of NEO. Short sellers are burning. Those that are negative onto NEO are burning because of the kind of rewards we are seeing from the share price. I'm sorry about my lighting today. I'm traveling, and I just had to stop somewhere and do this video, because it won't be that good for me to not come once again and give you the good news, or once again talk about what we are seeing in the market on NEO today. I'm happy, I'm excited. Blue sky is coming. This shows us, or what we're seeing on the share price proves to us, that long term will always win. Ignore the day-to-day movement. Even if on Monday we open Monday on a red, ignore the day-to-day movement, but rather focus on where NEO could be in the future. That is what we are doing based on the current fundamentals we are seeing. NEO is a company that should be valued way more than what most EVs companies are valued at. I mean, we have talked about how Tesla is being valued, how companies like Lucid are being valued, and even how companies like Rivian are being valued. And if NEO is to be valued the same as that company, you and me can definitely agree that the share price of $6.44 is still far below from where NEO it's supposed to be. If they are to use the same metrics, they are valuing other EV stocks and use them onto NEO. NEO will definitely be way above the current share price we are seeing. So I'm happy, I'm excited. Blue sky is coming. Tell me what you think about this. Big financial institutions, you will know that they are bullish onto NEO. They see the potential, which is something that is pretty exciting, pretty amazing. And it tells us that even the big guns are saying. Yesterday we were talking about a billionaire who's just bullish onto all the Chinese equities, which is something that is pretty exciting, and it is bullish to EV stocks, or to companies, or solid companies like NEO. I mean, to me, NEO, it is the most attractive EV company globally in terms of the share price. If you want to buy a EV stock, I think NEO, it is that company that will give you long-term gains, because this company is doing exceptionally well. This is a company that has proven and has been showing to us that it is a new company. The 10,000 that we used to see last year has transformed and has become 20,000, which is something that is amazing, something that is good. I like what I'm seeing. Blue sky is coming. I just thought I'd give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. Do your own due diligence before you buy NEO for the very first time. Increase your holdings or even sell, because sometimes people make harsh decisions. The way people, I'm sure that because of the small gains they saw on New Year yesterday, they probably sold the stock, but this just proves to you that you need to focus on the long term. When you're investing onto NEO, focus on where this stock could be in the next 5 years, 10 years. That's how you need to invest when you are looking onto NEO. Ignore the day-to-day movement, and focus on where NEO will be in the future. But one thing is certain, blue sky is coming, will definitely be rewarded in the long term. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.